Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to paper trade on Tradingview, so you can practice stocks, futures, and options without risking real money. Paper trade on mobile, on iOS and Android, both. First, log in to the Tradingview app. If you're new, download the app from the App Store or Google Play and create an account. Open a chart. Tap the symbol search at the top to choose a stock, future, or option. At the bottom, tap the trade icon, 2 arrows. Tap Select Broker, choose Tradingview Paper Trading, Connect. To place an order, tap the blue plus, then select Buy or Sell. Set order type, quantity, and optional TP/SL. Tap Submit. Your simulated position now shows in portfolio, bottom bar. You now know how to paper trade stocks, futures, and options on Tradingview, both on the website and the mobile app. If this tutorial helped you, let us know in the comments. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe us. Bye bye.